Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Weverse is updated and you're signed in. This avoids permission hiccups. Once done, verify your account details and open the Home tab. Tap the profile icon to access settings immediately. Don't wander through menus. You need to enable app notifications at the system level if prompted. Allow sounds and badges. This first step ensures the app can actually deliver alerts before you configure channel or artist-specific notifications inside Weverse. You now go into Weverse settings and choose notifications. This is where the app controls what you get. Turn on global push notifications, then expand categories like posts, live, and merchandise so important items aren't muted. Make sure to set per artist alerts. Tap an artist page, hit the bell, and choose all or important only. Also check the frequency and sound options so you receive immediate pushes rather than summarized digests. These choices determine how and when you'll be notified. Finish by verifying system settings. Allow Weverse in your phone's notification center, disable battery optimizations for the app, and enable background data so pushes arrive reliably. If alerts still fail, clear the app cache and restart or reinstall Weverse to fix corrupted settings. As a last resort, check server status or contact support with screenshots. If nothing works, make sure your account isn't muted for the artist. One missed toggle can stop notifications entirely, so double-check that bell icon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.